Good morning, students. Today's Vedic math topic is square of a number. First, square of a number near to 100. First, less than 100, that is 99 square. That means 99 into 99. Now, 99, first we have to see how much less than 100. 99 is 1 less than 100. That means, and 1 less than 100. First we have to square this digit. Square of 1 is 1, so we put 0 1 because base is 100. Base is 100, two zeros. Now 0 1. Now subtract this 1 from 99, that is 9801. That is the answer. Suppose you have to square 98. 98 is 2 less than 100, so square of 2 is 4, so we put 0 4, and this 2 subtracted from 98 is 96, so answer is 9604. Suppose you have to square 95. How much is less? This is 5 less than 100. Square of 5 is 25. Now no need to put 0 because already 2-digit number 25, and this subtract this 5 from 95, 9025. Now if you want to square 88 square, how much is less than 100? It is 12 less than 100. Square of 12 is 144. Now we take 2-digit number, that is equal to 44 and 1 carry. Now 12 minus 88 is 76. 76 plus 1 is 77. 7744. Now next is square of a number that is greater than 100, like 101 square. Now how much is less? It is 1 it is 1 more than 100. Again square of this number is 1, we put 0 1. Now add 100 1 to 101, that is 102. Now square of 102 is, it is 2 more than 100, so square of 2 is 4, we put 0 4 to make a 2-digit number, and 2 added to 104 is 104. Now 103 square, that is 3 more than 100, that is square of 3 is 9, we put 0 9, and 3 is added to this 106. Now 108 square, it is 8 more than 100. Square of 8 is 64, we put 64 only because it is already 2-digit number. Now add 8 to this, 116. So this is the answer. Now suppose we have to square 112 or 113. How much is greater? It is 13 more than 100. So square of 13 is 169. Now we take 69 only, 6 9 and 1 carry, and add 13 to 113, that is 126. 126 plus 1, 127. This is the answer. Now square square of a number near to 50. Near 50. Now we know base of 50 is 100 by 2, so square of 49. How much is less than 50? That is 1. Square of 1 is 1, we make it 2-digit number because base is 100 by 2, 0 1. Now 1 is subtracted from 49 is 48, divided by 2 is 24, 2401. Now 48 square, how much is less than 50? 2, square of 2 is 4, we put 0 4, and 2 subtracted from 48 is 46, and 46 square, 46 half is 23. 47 square. 3 square is, it is 3 less than 50, 909. Now 47 minus 3 is 44. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Now near to 100 but more than 50, sorry, near to 50, more than 50 means 51 square. Again it is 1 more than 50, so square of 1 is 1. We put 0 1 and subtract, add 51 to 51, that is 52. Half of 52 is 26, so 2601. Now 54 square, 4 more than 50, square of 4 is 16. No need to add 0 because already 2-digit number. So 54 plus 4 is 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 2816. Now square of any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number. Suppose we have to square 46. First we have to square 6. That's first step is 6 square. Second step is 2 into 4 into 6. Third step is 4 square. First square of this digit, then product of these two number with 2, means 4 into 6 into 2, and then square of this digit 4 square. Now 6 square is 36 and 8 6 are 48 and 16. Now take this digit 6, 3 carry to this, it become 51. 51 carry 1 take and 5 carry, that is 21. 2116. Yes. Now near to 50, it is 4 less than, check, 4 less than 50, square of 4 is 16. Now 4 subtracted from this is 42. 42 half is 21. 2116. So if you want to square 72, square of 72, this method is for any 2-digit numbers. First square of 2 is 4. 2 into 2 into 7, 4 7s are 28, 8 2 carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 2 5184. This is the short method. Now suppose square of 84, 4 square is 16, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64 plus 1 65, 5 we take, 6 carry, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 70, 7056. Now square of 36. First 6 square is 36. 2 into 3 into 6. Then square of 3, that is 36. 2 into 3, 6 6 are 36 again, and 3 3s are 9. We take 6 from here, 3 carry. Now it become 39. We take 9, 3 carry, become 12. Now see, 6 square is 36, 3 carry, 2 into 6 into 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39, 3 carry, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. This is short. Now again one more example, square of 67. Now 7 square is 49, 9 4 carry. Now 2 into 6 12, 12 7s are 84, 84 plus 4 88, 88 8 carry. Now 6 square is 36, 36 plus 8 is 44. Now you can practice these questions. Square of 88, square of 98, square of 105, 112, 107, 112, 113, any 3-digit number near to 100 and 2-digit number less than 100. You can square and practice at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.